Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about my monthly budget, my journey to becoming debt-free, and also cash stuffing videos. So if that sounds like something you'll be interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. In today's video, I am just going to be closing out October's budget. I did already close it out, like not on camera, but I was like, hey, let me record this for everyone so they see how I close out my budget. So for the month of October, I had an income of $3,471. We're going to take that $3,471 and put it towards my bills. My bills this month totaled $1,196. So I'm going to subtract 1,000. Oh, I don't think you guys can see that. I'm going to subtract this $1,196 from $3,471, which gave me a leftover of $2,275. And take that $275 and put it towards my debt. My debt for the month of October totaled $975. I'm going to take that $975 and subtract it from $2,275, which gave me a leftover of $1,300. Next, I'm going to take that $1,300 and put it towards my bank sinking funds. My bank sinking funds for the month of October totaled $825. I messed up with my emergency. No, I didn't mess up with my emergency fund. I decided not to put anything in my emergency fund. I forget why. I don't remember why. I should have put a note right here for myself to why I didn't put it in there, but whatever. But anyways, $825 subtracted from $1,300 is $475 left over. We're going to take that $475 and put it towards my envelopes. For my envelopes, they totaled $150. I took that $150 and subtracted it from $475, giving me a leftover of $325. That's it. There's nothing else to it. I just wanted to close out my monthly budget for October on camera. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you in my next one.